What's up, everyone?
It's your girl, Naila.
And your boy, Dorian. And today we are back with another video. video with the Zizzo Cabello. I check out my Cicada T.O.
Y'all, guess what we doing? Guess what we doing? Anyway, y'all, but we doing a video. We doing a handcuff challenge. But we're not doing 24-hour because it's 3:54, and you know we got a late start this morning because we had a lot of stuff to do. We had to clean up.
Shine bright like a diamond.
So what we're doing is the 24-hour handcuff challenge, but we're not doing 24-hour on 10 because we had a lot of stuff to do. We was busy this morning. We had a lot of cleaning up and stuff like that.
Wait, should we put it on now?
Yeah, we're gonna put it on. So like, I was like, you know, I gotta go to the.
How we gonna get out of the car? How we gonna get in the car?
You gotta. I saw how to do it. You gotta. One of us gotta go on one side. So if you want to come on my side, come on your side. You pick.
We put it on now?
Yeah, but I have to put it on my right hand because I have to drive with this left hand.
I have to put mine on my
left hand. And you hold the camera with your right hand. You go with your right hand though. So. But anyway, and we're going to Petco, y'all, because I need to I had turtles. I had 2 of them once before, and I missed them.
Where's that turtle?
So I was like, you know what? Let me get some more. So I'm getting some more turtles, and yeah, that's basically what we're doing there. And we might stop by the mall or whatever, and what did you say? We might stop by the mall or something. I don't know.
The light is leaving me.
This air is kind of loud, my bad.
Oh yeah.
But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on y'all post notifications. Yes. You will be notified when we post. And tell your aunties, your uncles, your cousins, your mama, your friends, everybody.
Your dad.
I thought we ran out of gas, y'all, but doing it because seatbelt on. Put seatbelt on. Anyway, but yeah, and you know. We have literally a lot of videos already recorded that we're going to edit for y'all. We're going to edit them for y'all. So
yeah, because I got a vlog that I did in
Atlanta.
But I might post that before I post this. I don't know, whatever one you'll see it.
To be honest, y'all probably might see the vlog first before y'all see this. But if y'all seeing this and y'all ain't seen the vlog, just know we're going to get to it, y'all. Trust me. But anyway, y'all, you know, we're going to get y'all up when we get to the store. Yes. Y'all see my hem? I want a real tattoo, but I know I never get it because I'm too scared. I'm really scared of tattoos. Like, I'm terrified of needles, so. And plus, I will never get no tattoo on my hand. That's not the kind of job I want. He took it forever to unlock the darn. Ooh, that light hit you. You glistening, boy. You glistening. You glistening. Can I get over? Can I get over? Thank you. Can I get over? Thank you very much. Dorian. My brother got me driving in this loud truck. I said truck. Loud car. What is this? I don't know cars. A Dodge Challenger. This is my oldest brother car. And if y'all don't hear it, then hold on, let me let y'all hear it. It's really loud. Y'all gotta wait till I hit the gas though.
No, you ain't doing that. Nothing. This kind of you did that.
No, I'm saying me regular driving. Like y'all hear that? Like it's louder that when he go real fast. Hold on, let me make sure I got it first.
Yo, we gonna park.
But yeah, I like this car. It's just here. Don't get the camera so I can turn.
Lazy. Oh. Here, Mike. Here. Hey!
You too much. Y'all about to go this quick, Cole? Should I go this way? That's probably good.
I lie. It'll pulling up here at. This girl talking about some Petco. It's Pet Smart.
Stop. You know what I meant Pet Smart.
She slow.
I'm about to say they closed.
We own no copyrights to this song and try to sue me.
Yes, we do.
No, all right. You okay? Now LeBron said that take money out of her shit. All right, y'all.
Okay, wait. Now put.
Beat it up.
Where the keys?
In my pocket. You never hit the get. Oh man, I had this thing set for which one was the toughest one. Yeah. You going off?
I'm gonna keep this one.
Put it in your other hand. It might hurt you. Sure.
Come on. Let me tighten it. I want to tighten it.
I hate my
Hold on, my pop's calling. Hola, ¿cómo te llamas, Zita?
Now look at tight this is on my wrist.
I told you to tighten how you want to tighten. You want to do it all tight like that. Why would you do it so tight? That's ignorant.
Oh, just take it out.
Get the key. He's so dumb. He got the whole key. You better not tell me like that. Yeah, I'm about
Let's
to
see if the sun hit us. Where have I must You been on that wrist.
Don't. Let me show you. Just do it 1-2 times. Well, your wrist is bigger than mine, so it don't really.
Wait, no, what you doing? Let's see, I got it for me. Hold the key. No, I got it.
That's good right there. That's good right there. Don't go no more than that. It's gonna hurt. Anyway, all right. So y'all, don't put it up here.
No,
put it down here. Put it down there. You pull up that bone up there, it's gonna hurt like heck.
That's why I never.
Retarded.
It hurts.
Okay, y'all. So it is 4:11 right now. Okay, got my bag.
Okay.
Tommy for you. See, isn't it cute? Let me see my bag. It's cute. I'm gonna give this away to somebody.
Yo, this. Ow!
Ow.
All right, and I got Supreme. You already know what we coming with, bro. You already know what we coming with this year. As a matter of fact, let's get the shoes now.
Ooh, let's get the shoes. Wait, let me put my shoes in there. They don't want to see the bottom of your shoes. Look at mine. Girl got the Balenci's on. Can't tell her nothing. Boy got the Balenci's on. Can't tell him nothing. Let me see. Ah, I can't tell you nothing. Anyway, let's go. Hold on. Let me put this on. Like this.
Wait, I want to put my book back on fully. I put my book back on fully.
You can't. Tighten mine up a little bit. Dora, you cannot take them off once they're on. That's it.
No,
that's it. Okay, fine. Yo, he really about to make me mad because he doing the most.
Oh my God, I'm scared.
I'd like to carry mine for one. Oh, look at it. Isn't it cute? I love this bag. I had this bag since I was how old? 17. No, for real. Since I was 17. And I'm 19 now. Just in case y'all didn't know.
I think 23. I told you. Oh, it's older.
Yeah. But I had it since I was 17, y'all. And guess what? I barely wore it. I only wore it twice. And I put it in my closet and I didn't wear it at all.
Stop moving.
Dude, hold on. The turtles is calling me.
The turtles is dead.
No, you gotta get out on my side. Because I'm not crawling over.
Okay, hurry up, go.
Hold on, close the roof. You open it like you gonna close it.
No. Oh. Speed it up. Speed it up.
Hold on. Bring your hand over here so I can turn the car off. Okay, there we go. Now let's go. Grab my phone. Look at my phone. It's cracked. It's
My
hurting.
mind. Oh, we recording.
Look at my babies on here.
Yeah, that's what mine is. We always recording with
Look at
mine.
my babies.
We're always recording with mine.
Aren't they handsome? Some of my little lovey doveies.
We're always recording with mine.
Now come on.
Oh!
I want to put my bag on both arms too now. Dude, why would you take it off?
I didn't balance it on tight.
Dude, why would you gotta put this on tight because it's not fair.
I told you because your wrist is.
But that's not fair then.
Come on, man, come on.
You shouldn't be able to get out that easy.
I did. You trying to say?
Don't tighten it up right there. Back it up before you tighten it up right, and then tighten up right here behind your what do they call it again? I just had this one in the biology. What am I thinking?
Arm.
No, stupid. Them bones call something.
Ligament.
Good. Hairs in my face. I hate when my hair get all stuck on my lip, but I see stuff. Let me see if you can record here. Yes, you can.
Tell them they can't tell us nothing.
I got my Balenci's on my feet. Supreme on your back.
Sun right.
Yeah, we doing the handcuff challenge.
Hey, I already know what it is. About to go and pay somebody and get her a little turtle real quick. Well, put your hand down.
I gotta put my other. Hi. Alright. Oh, you want to keep this in there?
No, that was. Brian, I want a turtle. Ain't no turtles in here?
Yeah, get it down here. But I can't see it.
That's the. How much is these turtles anyway? Oh, $119. That's cheap. Can we get like a guinea pig instead?
Guinea pig? They're like a they're called for. Yeah, I want a bird.
I don't want a bird. She keep.
Look at the guinea pig. Right here, look at it. Let's ask the lady.
Lady what?
Excuse me.
I'm sad.
I want a turtle.
I want a turtle. But you can't get one. You can't get one.
Take care of it. I gotta
Ow.
go digging in.
Come on. I don't want to. Come on, we're not getting no fish. Come on.
Anybody about it? Where's we gonna go to now?
We can walk down the street.
Why I gotta walk down
Cause
here?
slow down. I don't want to drive down. We on the plaza. She's so slow. Y'all
I
stop
know
pulling.
what bad we want.
Okay, come on. Hold it.
I'm mad.
Put my hand on two.
You look black.
Wait, now what you walking for? Who walks and people got interesting things about shit? Put you on the wrist.
Come on. Boy, you don't know what you're doing.
I do know, but you can't just sit there. Hold on.
You said poor. Right?
Now, move it out. Stop playing for real.
Yeah, he's.
Where it out? No, okay, I'm gonna do my.
I don't know how to do it. Let me see it, Dorian.
I ain't not about it.
Dorian, let me see it.
Here. Now look, my turn. It don't hurt you, but it hurt me. I don't do the war with my living. No, do it. Follow my lead. It's not fair. Wait. Okay.
Well, don't hit my arm. Why would you?
I'm gonna put each other in the face. Come on, bro. Nala, lift your arm up. Nala, why is your...
You don't know how to hold the camera.
Why your
You don't know how
chain?
to hold the camera. You should be holding the camera like this. My arm is up. That's you want here? Tell me what it's like. You put it where you want to put it.
Put that right here. It's fine right here. Come on.
It's so dumb, little stupid. You gotta piss me off.
Nala. Stop, dude. Nala, stop, bro. Stop. Nala, I can't keep going. Y'all, we finna transfer cars because I gotta give my brother car back because he got to go to work. Oh, wait.
And then I gotta get my car fixed.
My head itch. Then I gotta get her car fixed.
I'm in the camera and get the keys out of here.
What keys?
In my pot, in my book bag. That's so dumb. Ow! And it's vibrating on you. Who's calling me? Oh. Hello?
Oh my God.
Get in the car. Go, it's hot.
I'm trying to get in.
You sitting there thinking how you gonna get in or something. Ow! Ow!
No.
You gonna make me
It broke my wrist.
grab the door. Here, grab the camera. Yeah, that little bit
What you doing now?
was awful for me.
It's hot, y'all.
It's freaking hot.
Okay, where we going next? Oh, we're gonna switch cars.
This is a
We're
lot.
gonna switch. No, like what?
Look at that.
Oh, we never drove with it before.
No.
I cannot do this the whole way. Nala, use your other hand.
What do you mean? Okay, fine. But I have to put both hands on the wheel. It's hot. You know how to do
All right.
I'm a good driver with handcuffs on, guys.
For your home, garden, and more.
Why did you shut the air down?
What you up to? Shopping for phone plans. Check out Walmart Family Mobile. They have 2 truly unlimited lines priced for under $75 a month. Powered by T-Mobile. Plus all the latest phones. 2 lines for under $75? Now with 5 2 pass up. Touche, sister. Visit my
Put your seatbelt on once again.
I'm gonna take this boot bag off now.
Oh, well,
Get
no.
everything you love about Walmart and mobile. Video typically streams.
No, money down. I told you to play music from my phone.
Hey!
Go on.
Exclusive on select models with approved credit. No payment offer with 700 plus speaking with interest accrued for 90 days. Cashback on 2019 V6 Sorrentos. Negative equity and new loan ends 5/30/19.
And you know what word I don't get? The first half of the word is sham, and the second part you definitely don't want to see. That's why I made up a neat word. Flotection. The feeling of security you get when your new house is protected by home insurance.
Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna let you look good for a minute. Just for a moment. She off limits. She is off limits.
No, I'm not.
Oh, look, you saw her in real life.
I'm ugly doing.
No. If I
Nigga,
bug
you
you,
look just like me.
if they gonna say if I bug you ugly, he know you been ugly. You par now.
What you doing? You always need some change.
Oh.
50 cents a day will feed a monkey.
You got a 25 cent in your hand. Call 8150. We're going to get 8 orders now.
I love that.
Look at Ray, what you doing?
I know her. TT.
PTA.
She knows she remember me.
She do know
You
sometimes.
want to put it on the line? She remember me. Boo.
Boo boo kutu cosita boy.
Don't leave. Wait.
I do this.
Hey, my. Look at Lego.
You know how everything goes.
I like wearing Balenciaga. Oh my gosh, y'all, it was me that had my seatbelt on the whole time.
Daddy, mom, when you see this, just know I always got my seatbelt on no matter
Oh,
what.
nigga, you a lie.
It is always not ow. You're pulling my hair.
Safety first.
It's always Naila that don't have a seatbelt.
God, I thank you.
I'm messing my book,
man.
man.
Come on, both of us. You always got on one person. God, I thank you for keeping me when I didn't have my seatbelt. Okay. You fine. Put your hand down. You all right? It is fair.
Y'all. Now, can we go get Rita's after we get your car fixed?
Yeah, but it's depending on how long that man gonna take. If he take forever, then I'm gonna be mad.
If you haven't seen our video before this video, stop right now. Stop! And go watch the video. Go watch it. Because I want you to watch it.
Anybody want to smell your burp? Come on, I'm about to knock you.
Did he fall?
Who? Did he really? Oh my God, he fell. Oh no, he can't lift his. Thank God, we got somebody that can help him. Thank you for being nice. Some people just dumb. They all sitting in their cars. They see the light red, green going away. Help the man out.
This is crazy, y'all. This world is evil. Evil. No,
you gotta stop all that down yelling. I don't want to hear all that bull crap out during time. I know I
There
should.
it is. There it is. Look at me now. Look at me now. Well, why I gotta get a DVD? You can just sit down and look natural and nice.
Look at me now.
God darn it, this time. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. It's like you just glowing.
Don't ever put your hand on my lips.
Walk it out.
That's not walking it out. He said walking it out. Where's not walking it out? Now walk it out. Walk it out. Walk it out. Walk it. Let me play some gospel. Oh!
Ah! Go ho! Know what you come to do. Hey!
Don't
Yeah!
know what you come to do. Let me hear you say.
Hey!
Do. Know what I come to do.
Let me hear you say. Yeah! Say it again, Papa. I know what I come to do. Let me hear you say. Hey!
Hey, I come to clap my hands. Ow! I come to stomp my feet. Woo! I come to give my praise. Oh! I got the victory.
Go crazy, go stupid!
Oh! Hey, oh, this my part. This my part. This my part here.
The all-new, almighty 105.1.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. This says. Just in case you didn't know. Willie Wrong Jr. on the radio. Y'all didn't know who was singing with him? Yeah. That's why I'm glowing like that.
I need you.
What's your name is?
Ah!
Oh no, what was that? What that man that you sung to that song to the heat song inside the room?
That I sung? I don't know. George. Oh, George. I serve a God that can heal you. George. Just know that He can do all things through Christ that strengthens you. Oh, George. It won't always be like this. George.
Y'all didn't check out her song.
Yes. Byron, it won't always be like this. Byron, I serve a God that can heal you. Byron, sunny days, feelings so deep in my feelings. I can't breathe, and this ain't nothing like me. Feelings
I forgot how
so
to
deep in my feelings. No, this ain't really like me.
You too loud. You too high.
Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you? Hey, yeah. Do-dum, 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 do-dum. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you?
And when I kiss on you and I used to hold you as a baby.
Ow! It was disgusting and wet. Somebody's got it down in their head, but I can feel it all over me. Ooh, I've got it. feel it all over. Shut up your mouth and give him some praise.
My God. Thank you, Lord. Yes, God, you're good, Lord.
Yeah.
Thank you, Lord.
Yeah.
Yes, God.
Yep. Go stupid. Go crazy for the Lord. Wait. Oh.
No, you're not giving me arm. Lift your elbow off the thing.
It burns. Here we go. Ow!
Y'all, this is our song, right? We love singing this song.
God will bless you through the song right now.
1, 2, 3. It will always
Be like this.
He
will perfect
that concern.
Concerning me. Sooner or later,
It'll turn in
my favor.
My God.
Turn it around for me. Sooner or later.
Woo! I love that. That's it.
Sooner or later.
Oh,
Last time.
sooner.
Yeah. Sooner or later.
It'll turn in my favor. It's
Turning around for you.
You saw me pointing at them because it's gonna turn around for them.
Well, I opened my eyes late. All right, y'all. We at the house, so we about to switch cars, and we'll get back with you when we.
Here, grab the key.
Why not? What am I doing?
You gotta start my car.
You started it.
Doing how am I supposed to get in there and do all that?
Oh
with
my
my right
God.
hand. You so stupid. You made me mad.
Yo,
Like I was
that
like,
word really do hurt. Please don't call nobody.
I ain't mean to call you.
You gonna end up killing somebody.
You know, dog.
Oh, we don't play with it, bro.
Doing-
We'll jump in this car in a minute now. Don't play with it.
You think we were struggling early? We get it like it was magic. Ow!
God.
Something bit me. Burn me too.
Oh my God, about to put everything on heat. I think I'm gonna start the car in the morning.
What's that? Ooh, that like glistening on you now.
Yeah, now I'm gonna kiss on me when I ain't in the car.
You better have my door unlocked. I know that nigga.
Get some
Let
work.
me stop saying that word.
You're on Facebook. So darn brazy.
What is that?
Say hey, everyone laugh at me.
Hi.
Y'all probably said, they ugly now. That sun gone.
Don't
They
worry about
glistening on me now.
You better put the handcuffs on now. Wait, no.
Y'all, my grandma is in front of us. She wanted us to go to the store for her
Cause she is nervous. She ashamed.
and turn in little pennies. So you know how you get pennies? You turn on the pennies and they give you like money back, like dollars and stuff like that. So we're doing that.
So
for
we
her.
might embarrass her, but we don't care.
Lately, I've been out in the sun a lot lately, more than I usually would be. And it's like I feel like I'm getting black, like blacker day by day. You don't feel like you getting black, do you? Well, you gonna be out in the sun. Me and Mom was at the beach, and we've been walking and walking and walking. So I know I got black. She didn't want to really walk at night because she was scared. Somebody gonna snatch us. Somebody gonna snatch us.
Somebody
She
go
keep
get
forgetting that God got us covered.
Ah, yeah.
She keep forgetting, y'all. Oh, thanks, baby. Oh, God, I got it, child. Go on the Walmart, come on, I'm coming. You could have told me these was. I hear people singing at the last minute.
Oh,
I need you to hold your arm up, hold your arm up.
finish time. We don't. Man, nobody about to hit that nigga.
Huh?
Nobody about to hit her.
Oh my God, what is she doing? Grandma,
No, move your hand. Other hand.
why didn't I park? Come on, little looking woman. Just come on.
Come on, little
Come on,
nigga.
little one. Just. Yeah, I wish I had corn across so I could scare her. People are so rude. Like, it is fair. Here comes the fun part again, y'all. Get out the car. Okay, fine. You little white.
Don't y'all do that. That make it look like hookah. That look like something wrong with y'all.
I say make it look with the camera. It's the 24-hour handcuff challenge. We can't get out of the handcuffs.
Go ahead and get the thing out there, boy, and stick the thing.
Oh, you got it.
Open up that thing and stop acting that thing. I'm gonna put me in and cash it in. You can't lift it?
Come on.
Y'all shame?
No.
I ain't shame.
You said it when you got me.
That's what you got.
My mama told me. No, we have to take this
Don't
off.
do that. Don't go to the store like that.
Yeah,
Don't do
yeah.
that.
So we've been out of stores all day.
Don't do that, y'all. Don't do that. Nah.
Grandma,
You
let
might have
grandma
to
hold the
let
camera.
go,
Let grandma hold the camera. Grandma hold the camera.
Why'd you get that thing off of you like that now? Don't do that.
Grandma, you gotta put it on you.
It's a challenge, a handcuff challenge.
Why are you acting like that? Y'all, you know what? Something wrong with this world here. With these children.
Yeah, I'm seeing them dropping. Where the thing is? If you drop that thing, who gonna pick them pins up?
Oh, that's a shame. Why y'all put that on there like that?
You don't look at our YouTube videos?
I don't need to look at no mess like that. And get that thing off your hand like that. Watch that hand. Use a pretty girl don't look like that. Y'all getting on my nerves with this mess. I guess the world will come out all kind of stuff and y'all gonna be all in it. Better get Jesus. Holy Ghost.
The 24-hour handcuff challenge.
They getting on my nerves.
YouTube.
How's everybody?
She don't want us to do it. For YouTube. I'm famous with it.
You on camera, you about to be on YouTube. But I'm in Walmart real quick. I'm gonna call you back when I get home, okay?
Okay, that's so much.
For real? Oh, look at my cousin supporting us, y'all.
What are you doing?
Doing look, they go mall.
What's up, Ma?
But I promise I'm gonna call you right back when I get home, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
What I do? Do I just drop it? Let me try one thing.
Oh, pick it up. Oh, yeah.
Come on, about this whole thing anyway. Look at she's so loud.
Where's she at? Come on, you want to see that face? Why are you looking at Why are you making that face? She had a bomb here in there, y'all. She said it's a dog.
What about the
This boy talking about soul.
Look at how you do this. All right, y'all. So
today was a successful day, but we kept getting like
interrupted by our mother
as you
and
see,
then
we took off the handcuffs, of course.
So the last person to interrupt us was our grandmother, Grandmama Helen, interrupted us.
Our grandmother, our mom, then my dad kept calling because I had to get my car fixed, and I'm in my mom's car. We had to wait for her to get off work so I can switch out with her car. Since y'all made it this far, why y'all ain't like, comment, subscribe?
Yes.
Say something up on the comment button.
Yeah, we need comments, man. Like,
y'all need to tell us what y'all want to do.
It makes me feel good to see, you know what I'm saying, family, not only family, friends, and people that we don't even know. You know what I'm saying? Comment that boosts our, confidence. You know what I'm saying?
Keep
our
us
faith
pushing it.
Yeah.
Like,
so
tell us what y'all want us to do.
Yeah.
Like, DM us and stuff like that. Y'all got our
and
social
let
media.
us know who team you are on.
Team Naila, of course.
You are on Team Dorian because I come
said
with
period
the
just now.
best.
I don't never say that word.
I come with the best, man. Now I come with that. You know what I'm saying? That way. So yeah. So we'll get back with y'all.